Hello everyone. If you're looking for an easy way to add a clean and stylish Toon look to your Unity game, this asset is definitely worth checking out. Toon Outline Effect delivers a versatile Toon shader with smooth shading and crisp outlines, perfect for anime-style games, cartoon platformers, or stylized indie projects. One of the best things about this asset is how easy it is to use. You can quickly adjust the outline width and color to match your art style, without dealing with complicated shader setups. It fully supports Unity's built-in render pipeline, URP, and HDRP, and works smoothly across Windows, Android, and iOS, so you don't need to worry about platform compatibility. The visual quality is solid, performance-friendly, and it's a great choice if you want a cel-shaded look without sacrificing flexibility. I put the purchase link in the video description, and also pinned it in the top comment for your convenience. If you like stylized visuals and want to level up your game's art style, this asset is definitely worth a try.